Hi, I'm Dan from LED Technologies, and in this video I'll be showing you our 50-meter rolls of LED tape. We offer SMD as well as COB, and we also supply a wide range of solderless connectors that are compatible with these tapes. These help to make a quick, easy and effortless installation process. Our 50-meter reels of SMD tape come in 4 single colour white temperatures ranging from 2600K to 6500K. We offer 8 reels in total to choose from. 4 of these are in 4.8 watts per meter, and if you need an even brighter solution, we offer 9.6 watts per meter. All of these tapes are 24 volts. They are 8mm wide. There are 60 LEDs per meter. The CRI rating is greater than 80. Cut intervals are every 100mm. And you can power up to maximum lengths of 5 meters. Our 50-meter reels of COB strip are available in even more options. We offer 11 in total, 5 of which are single colour white temperatures. These range from 2600K to 7000K. We also offer red, green, blue, pale yellow, orange, and pink. All of these tapes are 24 volts and they are 10 watts per meter. Our single COB is 8mm wide and there are 480 LEDs per meter. The CRI rating is greater than 90 for our single colour white temperatures, and you can power up to maximum lengths of 5 meters. An advantage of using our single COB 50-meter rolls is that they have free cutting. This means you can cut the tape anywhere and you're not restricted by cut intervals. All of our 50-meter reels are rated IP20, making them suitable for internal installations and projects. Both our SMD and COB tapes can be applied to a wide variety of settings. Commercial spaces where they have been used include gyms, museums, offices, and even distilleries. They're perfect for domestic installations as well, including media walls, shelving, understairs lighting, and even coving, just to name a few. These tapes are great. They can be stored in your workshop, warehouse, or even your vehicle if you're on the go. You can cut lengths down to size, as and when you need them for your convenience. To make a clean cut of the LED strips, all you need is a sharp pair of scissors or some wire cutters. When using our 50-meter SMD tape, follow the 100mm cut points, making accurate cuts across the copper tabs. There are scissor icons on the PCB indicating where these cut points are. This is to help you if you're not sure. Alternatively, if you're using our 50-meter COB tape, you don't need to worry about cut points. The tape can be trimmed at any point across the reel. If you're using solderless connectors, there are plenty of copper tabs you can cut across, and you can even cut between the tabs for precise measurements. Our 50-meter rolls of tape go hand in hand with our extensive range of solderless clips and connectors. We supply strip to power, strip to strip, bridge, L-shape, T-shape, and even cross-shape connectors. A smoother installation process with complex shapes, patterns, and designs can be achieved efficiently. Pairing our solderless beetle clips and connectors along with our free cutting COB means for reduced wastage and a cost-effective result. With our 50-meter rolls, you can visit our website to find full technical specifications and datasheets you can download.